I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make spicy bean dip. First, gather your ingredients. You will need one 15-ounce can of pinto or black beans, drained and rinsed. Also, have 1/4 cup of chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic ready. Don't forget 1/4 cup of your favorite salsa, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin for that perfect kick. Now, let's start building our dip. Begin by mashing your drained beans in a medium bowl. You want them mostly smooth, but a little texture is great. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté for about 3 minutes until it softens. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds until it becomes fragrant. It's time to bring all those delicious flavors together. Add the mashed beans, salsa, chili powder, and ground cumin directly into the skillet with your sautéed aromatics. Stir everything thoroughly until all ingredients are well combined and the spices are evenly distributed. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Your spicy bean dip is almost ready. Remove the skillet from the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness. Taste and adjust seasonings if needed. Serve your warm, delicious dip with your favorite tortilla chips, crunchy vegetable sticks, or even as a spread for wraps. It's perfect for any gathering or a cozy night in. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.